Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity and welcome to a very different video from me. I basically am in desperate need to clean, organize, and just overall, give it a good cleaning, my makeup desk. It is so piled high with makeup, I can't even sit down and get anything else out. Well, I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting this, but when I'm sitting down to film it, it's mid-February. I had in-laws in for a week, and just with the craziness of having them over, trying to do my makeup a little bit lighter, a little bit quicker, not really having time to sit down and do my usual, it just kind of kept piling up, and I need to sit down and clean it. So while the kids are napping, that's what I'm going to do, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to just hit record on the camera and let you guys watch. So nothing too exciting because it's just going to have a music overlay as I clean and organize my makeup vanity, but I thought it'd be fun as a little bonus video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Would you like to see me ever do this again? Yeah, like I said, not going to be any kind of talking or whatnot. It's just going to be music and a little quick time of me cleaning up. So if you guys like it, I can definitely do it again in the future. I'm someone who tends to keep it pretty relatively clean. Like every couple days I'll come in, organize, put everything away. I never really let it get this out of hand. But like I said, just with family over the past week, I let it get out of hand. So let me know if you guys like this type of video. And as I said, if it gets out of hand in the future and it just needs a good 30-minute, 20-minute, whatever the case is, of sitting down and cleaning and whatnot, to let me know and I can always record again. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into it because yeah, this desk is a mess and I have been itching to clean it. Okay, so whew, it looks so much better. Yes, I can just now breathe easy. Tomorrow when I sit down to do my makeup, it'll be a very much more relaxed, laid back, and clean setting, and it just helps me kind of keep on top of things and know what to, you know, what I'm doing. What I just like, I like my workspace clean. As you saw, it was a disaster, and at the, like this morning, I did my makeup at my bathroom sink because it was just so crazy. I didn't even want to sit down here. So yeah, I am so glad to finally have it all nice and clean. So I hope you guys kind of enjoyed getting to sit there and see that. I still need to find a pair of magnetic lashes because I am missing the other one. And I saw that I was missing. I was like, oh, I'll probably find it while I'm cleaning up. The whole thing is clean and I still don't know where it is. So I feel like I'm always missing something, so hopefully I will find these because I'm in the middle of testing these and whatnot. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said in the beginning, let me know what you think. I hope it was just entertaining to sit there and watch. I like watching kind of clean with me videos, so I wanted to share one with you guys. And I've done it one time before. I'll have that linked up in the cards. And yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments if you would like me to continue this very sporadically. Nothing, you know, nothing routine or whatever, just when it gets crazy, if you would like to see something like that. But anyway, yeah, with all that said, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.